Hey yarn friends, welcome back to LlamaMamaKayla's Yarn Tube. I'm Kayla and I appreciate you stopping by today to see how my scrappy blanket is going. It is looking really great. So the last ball I opened was the sparkly green. There's a lot of sparkle in there. So I added it on top of that flamingo. Excuse me. And let's see, I started right here, and so it went around the blanket and back up to the long side to right here. So that made a pretty round on there. I love the way this is turning out. I love the colors and everything. And so today is Vlogmas Day. Excuse me. Today is my Vlogmas Day 22. So let's open this bag and see what color it's going to be added. Purple. I love that. I love purple. All right. So it doesn't have any purple in it for a long ways down. Here is a dark purple. And this is a pretty purple. Pretty colorful purple. So that will go here, and it will go along that top of that flamingo. And then down here, it will start on top of the green and go around. So that would be very pretty. I can't wait to add that in there. So you can see I'm still wearing this blanket wrap. I wore it for the last couple of videos. This blanket wrap that Dakota gave me for Christmas. Y'all, this thing is warm. I didn't expect it to be like this warm at all, because the sides are open, and it just fits across my back and, you know, down the side front, and it is super warm. I've just been wearing it every day since then. When I take it off, like to go to the restroom or something, it is significantly colder. When I take it off, I can, you know, instantly start getting cool. It is so warm. But here's the other one that he got me that I haven't opened yet. I'll just show that to you. He said he got this at Sam's, both of these. So I haven't been to Sam's, so I never saw them there or anything. But he said it came from Sam's. It's wool rich, original buffalo check, cozy blanket wrap, lightweight warmth, travel friendly, one size. But it is really comfortable, cozy, and warm. Hey Rose. Hey Rose. I'll pick you up. You are so heavy. Rose is over here wanting me to pick her up. Let me see. This is our dog Rose. She is so heavy. She's Elijah's dog. We actually, one time Dakota and I was going somewhere, and we was going down a stretch of road that is no houses for a long way, and we had a flat. So Dakota had got out and was changing the tire. Was changing the tire, and another vehicle. I'm gonna put you down, girl. Another vehicle kind of pulled up a little ways in front of us and stopped, and I didn't really pay attention to what they were doing exactly, but then they drove off, and here come this dog running down the road, like chasing that vehicle. So we think they put her out. I don't know for sure exactly what happened, but she went around there. She saw Dakota, so she went around there and got in his lap while he was changing the tires. She was just crying. And then after he finished, he got in the car and he said, "Did you see that dog?" I said, "Yeah, where'd it go?" He said, "She's out there by the car." And so I was looking in the side view mirror there, and I could see her. She was at my door trying to get in. And so I opened the door, and she just jumped right in the car. She was just crying, like super loud. And I was just like, well, we can't just leave her. There's no houses anywhere around here. So I said, we'll take her home and post on Facebook and find her a home, you know. Well, Elijah wasn't home that night, but he came home the next morning, which I'd sent him a picture of her because I told him what happened. He said, "Send me a picture." So I sent him a picture. The next morning he come home and he's like, "That's my dog." And so we kept her. And she is so spoiled. She loves Elijah. When he is not here, she will stand at the front door, staring at the door, crying. If he goes outside to do something and she's in the house, she stands at the door and cries until he comes back in. So she's a very, very spoiled dog. But I forgot what I was even saying before she jumped up here. I think I was telling you about this. But anyway, I love this cozy route. And back to the blanket. I don't know if I've said, surely I have it sometime this month. I'm using a J hook, which is a 6mm hook on my blanket, and I love using a J hook on blankets like this, even though it's for number 4 yarn, which usually calls for like a 5 or 5.5, an H or an I hook. The J hook to me just makes it more drapey, cozy, squishy. It's not stiff or hard. I don't know the word that I'm looking for actually, except it makes it awesome. A J hook kind of makes it awesome. So it's going to be an awesome blanket because I used a J hook. Anyway, guys, I did not record yesterday at all, which was Christmas Day. Jody cooked Christmas dinner, and I tried to eat some mashed potatoes, and I couldn't get them down, and so I started throwing up, and I was throwing up blood. I don't know why, but anyway. And it was very, very painful just trying to get those mashed potatoes down, and then I couldn't get water or tea down for a little while, but then that did get better, and I was able to drink some tea later on, but so I couldn't eat, and I haven't even tried to eat today. I've drank a couple of those meal replacement shakes. But anyway, I have a doctor's appointment Monday, and I'm not expecting him to do anything about it because he's not that type of doctor, but he can get me in to see a GI doctor. I don't know why I'm trying to think of the word. A gastroenterologist. He can get me an appointment to see a gastroenterologist, so that's the plan. So anyway, I'm just rambled so much. Today was my day of Vlogmas 22, so I still have 23, 24, and 25 to open Terri's baggies of scrap ball yarns. And so then I will be opening those the next 3 days, and as long as I can record. And then after that, I'm going to be adding in some of my own scrap balls. And so I'll probably show the blanket the rest of this month. But then come January, if I'm still adding in scrap balls, I'm not going to show it every day. I'm going to show it like once a week. So anyway, I just appreciate you all coming along and watching this month. And I hope you went and checked out Terri's channel and seen how her blankets come along. And a link to her channel has been below in the description box of every video this month. So if you haven't checked out, you can go check out her video and probably just binge watch them because they're real short videos. But anyway, Terri's blanket looks lovely. I think she's pleased with hers, and I'm very much pleased with mine. I've enjoyed doing this project with her so much. I just appreciate that we did that together, and it means a lot to me because Terri does mean a lot to me. But anyway, I'm going to let you guys go, and I'm going to go find me something to watch and work on my scrappy blanket. I don't know what I'm going to watch. I'll probably just find something on like Hulu or Netflix or something like that and see how that goes. Oh, I did want to mention that I did put up a Christmas haul video, and I don't know what the deal was, but that video took like all day and all night to upload. I don't know why it took that, but because it wasn't a very long video anyway. But it took forever to upload, and then when it did, I just put in my information and set it public, only to find out it wasn't the whole video. So I don't know why it didn't all upload. So then I re-uploaded it. Excuse me. I re-uploaded it, and that time it did upload the whole video. So the first one I put up, I even made a thumbnail for it that said Christmas haul. That video was not the complete video. The second one, I didn't make the thumbnail for it. It was a picture of me holding up a Golden Girls coffee mug. And so that one is the complete video. So I'm just going to leave them both. It doesn't matter if they're both up there. A lot of people have watched the first one, and if they want to go back and watch the second half of it on the new video that I put up, they're welcome to. And if not, they don't have to. So I'm just going to leave them both there. It's not going to bother me for them to be there. But anyway, I'm just looking forward to the next few days of putting in the rest of Terri's scrap balls in here, and then thinking about the new year and things to come for January. And I hope you will continue to join me for videos in 2021. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you all again very soon, like tomorrow.